Everything begins with understanding the mountain itself.
Can you see the marker across the gorge?
Yes, I've got the prism in sight now. Readings are stable.
The LiDAR measurements confirm the instability on the eastern wall.
Yes, the shear stress data is correlating perfectly. Wind speed's picking up slightly. Hold position while the drone initializes. Base, we are launching the drone now.
The stability of every cliff must be verified before design can begin.
This strata looks promising for the core sample. Documenting the coordinates now. We're hitting the 30-meter mark now. Check the pressure logs.
Confirmed. The strata density is increasing right on schedule. Deep beneath the surface, the mountain reveals where the bridge can safely stand. Pressure's dropping faster than projected at this depth.
Check the flow rate on auxiliary line 3.
Confirming final coordinates for the west access route. The elevation matches the projection, we can proceed. Before the bridge can rise, a path must first be carved through the mountain.
Keep the roller moving steady, watch the edge. Roger that.
The beams need to go on the southeast corner first. Copy that. Setting them down now.
All right, the transformer is online.
Good. Let's get the pumps hooked up next.
The success of a remote mega project depends on flawless logistics.
Keep coming, you're clear on the left.
The road is complete. We finally made it to the anchor zone.
Bring that pipe down easy, we're clear on this side. Roger that, coming down.
Now the mountain must be opened to create foundations strong enough to hold the entire bridge.
Elevation check complete, we're at grade -12.
Copy that. Advise the operator to go another 2 feet deeper.
Grid reference confirmed. Ensure exclusion zone is clear before we initiate the sequence.
Acknowledged. All teams, final check on the perimeter.
The bridge will ultimately transfer enormous forces into this solid mountain rock.
All right, check the grade right there. Watch the edge. Yeah, got it.
Every centimeter of the foundation geometry must match the design before construction can advance. Hidden deep inside the mountain, the true strength of the bridge begins to take shape.
Keep the pressure steady.
It's holding at 480.
All right, log that and continue descent.
The anchorage system must transfer thousands of tons of force safely into solid rock. Precision at this stage determines the long-term stability of the entire structure.
Target pressure achieved. Flow rate confirmed and stabilized.
The mountain has now been transformed into the backbone of the future bridge.
All right, B, lift the bundle slowly. Watch the wind shear over the gap.
With the foundations complete, the bridge begins its transformation from excavation site into structure.
All right, slowly lower the load. Watch the tension on line 3. We have rotation starting now.
Alignment confirmed, green light. All right, crew, move in. Start the torque sequence now. We're steady on this side. Confirmed, dead center. A little to the left, hold it there. All right, bring it down slow. Easy, easy.
The bridge's future load path is now becoming visible above the mountain.
The sensor readings look stable.
Confirmed. Alignment is holding steady.
Laser reading is 75.2 millimeters.
Matches the schematic. Connection 7B is secure.
The mountains are ready to receive the suspension system that will carry the bridge across the void. These towers will guide and support the forces that keep the glass bridge suspended above the canyon.
Bring her down easy, watch the bolts. Almost there, we're clear on this side. All right, hold it steady, looks good.
Base tower connection point 4 secured. We are proceeding to the next level.
The integrity of every connection is essential for decades of safe operation.
Bring it right here. Okay, hold it steady. Watch your hands on the pinch point.
lower slowly, watch the guide pin.
Clear. Clear. We are clear.
The gusts are lessening, reading stabilizing now. We are clear to resume operations.
The towers now stand as the visible backbone of the future bridge.
Coming down slowly, advise on alignment. Easy, easy. Bring it left just a touch. Okay, set it down.
The reading is steady. 10 millimeters off center line.
That aligns with the model's tolerance. We have confirmation.
Radio check complete. All bolts secured on level 9.
How's the tension on the main saddle cables looking?
The next challenge is connecting two mountains separated by a vast canyon.
We're clear to increase tension on the main line. How's it looking on your end? It's holding steady. Looks good.
Tension gauge reading 40,000.
Acknowledged. Ramping up pressure. We have stabilization at the target curve.
Thousands of individual steel wires will combine to create the bridge's primary support system.
Maintain tension on the feeder, move it slowly forward. Copy that, watching the alignment. The suspension cable is now ready to transfer loads from the future bridge deck.
Lower the cable 5 meters, confirm alignment at joint 4.
Copy that, lowering now. Looks good on my end, angle is stable.
The tension on cable 432 seems high. It matches the simulation data. We need C to verify. Reading confirms it. We should adjust.
With the suspension system complete, the bridge deck can finally begin crossing the canyon.
Hold it steady on your side. Steady, watching the clearance now. Keep it steady. We are aligned. Okay, start the torque sequence on the lower bolts.
Alignment and elevation confirmed. We are good for the next lift. Copy.
Each new segment brings the two sides closer together above the immense canyon.
We have confirmation. Start the descent. Keep it steady, watch the pressure points.
All right, easy now. Bring her up another 50 centimeters. Copy that, coming up slow. Alignment looks good.
Look at that, we actually finished it. Best crew in the world.
The bridge has crossed the canyon, but its most distinctive feature is still to come.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the edges. Okay, engage the suction.
Bring the panel up 15 feet, hold it there.
Roger that, coming up to 15. Wind advisory still in effect.
Now comes the defining feature that will transform a bridge into a world-famous engineering attraction.
All right, hold it steady. Coming down easy?
Yeah.
Looks aligned, keep going.
The transparent deck combines advanced materials engineering with rigorous structural safety.
Bring it down slowly, watch the edge. Copy that, coming down easy.
Clear on this side.
Bring it in slow, we need that perfectly flush. Copy that, hitting the fasteners. Okay, coming down slowly. Watch the far edge, watch the far edge. Settling now, looks good.
Before opening to the public, every component must prove its performance under controlled conditions.
The data readings have stabilized right on target.
Confirmed. The bridge is responding naturally.
The real-time displacement is exceeding the predicted model at this wind speed.
Confirmed. We need to monitor the cable tension closely.
The bridge has successfully demonstrated the strength, stability, and safety demanded by modern engineering standards.
Panel 7B is reading clear, moving to 7C.
Copy that. Rover C is initiating Phase 2 polish.
There's a slight anomaly on panel 7. I see it. The laser scan confirms it's superficial. We'll clear it for now.
That's the last one. Perfect, I'll sign off on it now.
Beyond the structure itself, every operational system must function flawlessly before opening day.
All structural elements are within acceptable parameters according to the diagnostic report.
Verified. The glass panels show no stress fractures.
Bridge Command, this is Team Alpha. We are showing green across all diagnostics, requesting clearance for the final run.
The project is complete, but one final demonstration remains before the bridge welcomes the world.
Keep the line straight, Arman. Stencil is set here. We'll take these barriers out now.
Final inspection looks good, Sarah. Process vision delivers again.
Confirmed. The load testing results were excellent too.
And this is how one of the world's greatest engineering projects is built, the Cluent, from nothing into reality.